When Huggies challenged me on my choice of diaper, I said, ho jai. Let's dip. No way, everything's soaked up. Is this for real? That's why we're making the switch. What about you?
Like Sonam, 9 out of 10 moms recommend Huggies for newborns.
In a significant move aimed at enforcing local regulations, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, has sealed 46 shops owned by non-tribals. These shops, situated in Ri Bhoi district from Bayarnihat up to Khanapara, had been operating for several years without valid trading licenses as required by the United Khasi Jantia Hills District, Trading by Non-Tribals, Regulation, 1954.
हमको नहीं पता हमने आए मेरा लेबर लाइसेंस है कि नहीं मेरा लिए काम करने वाला के लिए क्या पता बनाया होगा क्या पता आपका मालिक के लिए है किसका मिला मेरा नाम का है मेरा नाम का है कहाँ से मिला शिलोंग से शिलोंग से है तो सब हम लोग लाइसेंस दिया आपको बिना लाइसेंस अभी तो निकाल बंद कर पहला निकालो मैं वो सामान
Bleshbun mentakasmi nakaliang ka executive committee jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council haringkat bat ki EM gijongi bakun top ye ba Victor Rani belong local MDC jong ka Jirang constituency ringkat bat EM in charge jong ka revenue iba Alvin ringkat bat ki officers bat ki licensing officers ki enforcement superintendent ki staff jong ka district council nila one year mentakasngi shini sipo bernihat hadu hangni po Khanapara kadaw kajingwan gajungi kadai halor ki saupun riu teli ki dukan ki bala trekam bian klem ki kot kisla jongka council katkum ka United Khasi Jantia